Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a deep dish pepperoni pizza with ham and cheese. So let's get started. Okay, to make our deep dish pepperoni pizza, we have about 1 cup of chopped ham. We got about 1 cup of pepperoni. Might not use all that. And we have 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Yeah. We probably won't use all that either, but we'll find out. And we have some favorite tomato sauce here. Yeah, that'll work out good. It's about 1 cup. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to get started making our deep dish pepperoni pizza, we need to spray our pan here with a little bit of oil. Spritz it down good. Okay, now we're going to take 1 large tortilla and put it right in the middle here and make like a pocket, let it go up the sides. Alright, that's pretty good. Okay, we're making like a little bowl there. Alright. Next, we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese and we're going to put that down the bottom first. Just sprinkle some down there. Okay, that ought to be enough. Next, we're going to take some of our ham. Our chopped ham, we're going to put that down there. Try to spread it out kind of even. That's good enough right there. Okay. Next, we're going to take a little bit of our tomato sauce and we're going to just drizzle that on there a little bit. Okay, and we're going to take a little more of our mozzarella cheese, yep, and we're going to put some of that on top of the ham there. We're kind of building it up here, making it thick, you know, using a lot of cheese. Okay, now we're going to add a little more ham. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. Next, we're going to put a little more cheese. Yep. Okay, now we're going to drizzle some tomato sauce on top. Alright, and we're going to add just a little more cheese. Mozzarella, okay. Now we're going to take our pepperoni and we're going to put them on. Yeah, for those pepperoni lovers out there, you got to add a lot of pepperoni. Now we're going to take the rest of our mozzarella cheese and kind of just sprinkle that on top a little. Well, we'll save a little bit for right on top. Okay, now let's just add a little bit of the sauce that we have left. Okay, that's it. Now we'll add what's left of our mozzarella cheese. Put that right around the edge. Wow, that's a lot of cheese. Now you can take some of your ham and just spritz that around on top there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to toast up the bottom crust here. We're going to set our burner to medium high, and we're going to put a lid on, just like that, medium high, for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're going to let that toast just a little bit, you know, because we're going to put this in an oven at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. I'll bring you back when we're ready to put it in the oven. Yeah, this is going to be tasty. It's loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, and loaded with pepperoni. Yeah. Okay, let's get ready to put it in the oven. Okay, let's see how we're doing. It's been about 3 minutes. Let's see if the crust is toasting. Yep. Okay. All right, let's shut off our burner and put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Let's do that. Okay, I'll bring you back in about 10 minutes. That's going to be really tasty. Okay, our deep dish pepperoni pizza has been in the oven for 10 minutes. Let's get that out of there. Wow, well here it is. Wow, is that nice looking. Okay. Boy, that looks tasty. Look at all the cheese. And everything's still bubbling, so we're good. Okay, let's just put a little salt on. Not much. And a little bit of pepper, because we like pepper. A little bit of garlic powder is always good. And we're going to put just a little bit of oregano on top. Okay. And some grated Parmesan cheese. Okay. Alright, let's get that on a plate and give it a taste test. Wow, does that look good. Well, here it is, guys. Look at that. Can you see it? Wow. Alright, let's see if we can get that out of there. Wow, do you see that? Look at the size of that. Man, is that loaded with cheese. Let's see if we can get it in the middle here. Okay. Look at the cheese running out of that. Okay. Here, let me spin it around so you can see it better. Look at all that. Wow, is that tasty looking. I don't know if you can see just how high that is, but it's nice and thick. Can you see it? Oh boy, is this going to be good. Here, let's get it this way. Okay. Look at that. Yep. It's a nice one. Okay, guys. Let's see if we can cut this. See how it is. What do you think? Can we cut it? Alright, let's give it a try. Let's spin it a little bit so I can get to that side. Okay. Okay, guys, let's get a piece of that out of there. Let's see if we can do it. Oh my gosh. Can you see how thick that is? Take a look at that, would you? Unbelievable. Alright, let's put that right on a... Look at the cheese coming out of there. Alright, let's put that on a plate. Wow. Boy, is that good looking. Can you see how thick it is? It's just really thick. Got any cheese? Yep, plenty of cheese. Okay, we're gonna have to have a little bite of this. Let me move this out of the way for a minute. Okay, let's give this a shot. Oh yeah. Look at that. Deep dish pepperoni pizza with ham and cheese. And it's loaded with cheese. Alright, let's just have a little bite. Oh my gosh. The flavor in that pizza is unbelievable. With all that cheese. Yep. Pepperoni's right there too. And the ham's not overpowering, so that's good. Alright, let's bring back the pizza here. So you can see it better. There she is. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one. Deep dish pepperoni pizza with ham and cheese, and it's loaded with cheese. Loaded with ham, and got plenty of pepperoni. Yeah, you can't beat that. Season it the way you want, and boy, is this tasty. Better than takeout. Yep. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.